Stay down so that's all recording. Yeah. Well, it's the start of another day's work in Gaza. This is my armoured 4x4, not very good against an airstrike, but it's better than nothing. And that, of course, is my flak jacket. We're supposed to have a ceasefire, perhaps today. Personally, I have my doubts, so I'll probably be wearing it. First of all, I want to say I'm really sorry not to be able to come in person to pick up my fellowship, because I was really honoured to receive it and to be asked, and I was looking forward to today, but it's sadly a defining fact of my working life that often I don't make it to things. I'd like to offer my congratulations to everybody who's graduating today. Getting a university degree that you've earned by working hard and passing exams is a remarkable achievement, and it's something that I think you ought to be proud of for the rest of your life. Now, my university degrees that I got when I was at that educational age have helped me greatly in my working life as a journalist, as a foreign correspondent for the BBC. One of the things about coming to places like Gaza is that you're conscious of all the people who don't get educational opportunities. In this particular place, there are people who do manage to do well at school and to go on and get a good education. In fact, one of my colleagues here, a Gazan colleague of mine, has been saying that his niece just got 96% in a very important exam. But sadly, in this place and in so many other of the places that I get to in the Middle East, there are lots of people who don't get educational opportunities. So there's something really to savour, because as you all know, otherwise you wouldn't have worked this hard, by the time you get those opportunities and by the time you get your education, you really can benefit. So I'd like to thank you all again very much for this honour, and I'd also like to apologise once again for being held up at work.